ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ।
ਇਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਜੁਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦਿ ਜਪੈ ਆਦਿ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਹੋਸੀ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਏਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਜੁਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦਿ ਜਪੈ ਆਦਿ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਏਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਜੁਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦਿ ਜਪੈ ਆਦਿ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਏਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਜੁਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦਿ ਆਦਿ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਏਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦਿ ਜਪੈ ਆਦਿ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਏਕ ਓੰਕਾਰ ਸਤਿਨਾਮ ਕਰਤਾ ਪੁਰਖ ਨਿਰਭਉ ਨਿਰਵੈਰ ਅਕਾਲ ਮੂਰਤ ਜੁਨੀ ਸੈਭੰ ਗੁਰ ਪ੍ਰਸਾਦਿ ਜਪੈ ਆਦਿ ਸਚ ਜੁਗਾਦਿ ਸਚ ਹੈ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਨਾਨਕ ਹੋਸੀ ਪੀ ਸਚ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
ਨਾਨਕ ਦੁਖਿਆ ਸਭ ਸੰਸਾਰ। Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, in their Bani, they tell us that Nanak dukhya sab sansar, the whole world is suffering. Koi na koi dukh vich hai, now, before, even in the future. And as of today, the whole country is on partial lockdown. There is social distancing happening where gatherings are not allowed anymore. We can't go into Sangat anymore. ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਦਾ ਦੁੱਖ ਹੈ। Today what we're going to look at is what does Gurbani say about dukh. So there are 4 types of dukh and rog is one of them. And currently we are facing one of that rog. And we're going to look at how at this point for the next 2 weeks, because the lockdown is for 2 weeks, how are we going to take the asra of Guru, of Gurbani, and of Itihas as Sikhs to still remain in Chardi Kala in this moment and to be able to go through this crisis. So we are going to attune ourselves. This is a bent to all the Sangat. Before we go into the vichar of this dukkha, of this rog that we're going through and what we're supposed to do in this situation, let's look at what Maharaj is saying. Let's attune ourselves to the kirtan, to the Gurbani that will be sung by the Jatha. And after that, we are going to go into the vichar of dukkha and how we can then take the asra of Gurbani and of Itihas to go through this crisis.
Guru Govinda, Mera Ved 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 Guru हर हर नाम औखद मुख देवै, हर हर नाम
औखद मुख देवै,
हर हर नाम औखद मुख देवै, हर हर नाम
औखद मुख देवै,
काटे जम की फंदा, काटे जम की फंदा, काटे जम की फंदा, काटे
जम की फंदा,
जन्म जन्म के दुख निवार, जन्म जन्म
के दुख निवार,
जन्म जन्म के दुख निवार, जन्म जन्म के
दुख निवार,
सुख मन सदार, सुख मन सदार, सुख मन सदार, सुख मन सदार। दर्शन पेटत होत निहाला, दर्शन
पेटत होत निहाला,
दर्शन पेटत होत निहाला,
दर्शन पेटत होत निहाला,
हर का नाम विचार, हर का नाम विचार, हर का नाम विचार, हर का नाम। मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा
वैद गुरु गोविंदा,
मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा। समरथ पुरख पूरन बेदाते, समरथ
पुरख पूर्ण वेदाते,
समरथ पुरख पूर्ण वेदाते, समरथ पुरख
पूर्ण वेदाते,
आप करण हारा, आप करण हारा, आप करण हारा, आप करण अपना दास हर आप उबार्या, अपना दास हर आप उबार्या, अपना दास हर आप उबार्या, अपना दास हर आप
पाया,
नानक नाम आधारा, नानक नाम आधारा,
नानक
नाम आधारा,
नानक नाम तारा,
नानक नाम आधारा, नानक नाम आधारा, नानक नाम आधारा, नानक नाम जी नानक नाम आधारा, नानक नाम आधारा, नानक नाम आधारा, नानक नाम आधारा। वाहिगुरु 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 वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा जी हर हर नाम अवघत मुख देवै, हर हर नाम, हर हर नाम अवघत मुख देवै, हर हर नाम काटे जम की पंदा, काटे जम की पंदा, काटे काटे जम की, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा, मेरा वैद गुरु साहिब नीता ने आकाता, साहिब नीता ने आकाता, साहिब नीता ने आकाता, साहिब नीता ने आकाता, आए न जाई फिर सदा, आए न जाई फिर सदा, गुर शब्दी सच जाना, गुर शब्दी सच जाना, जाको मुश्किल अत बने, जाको मुश्किल अत बने, जाको मुश्किल अत बने, कोई कोई न दे, कोई कोई न दे, कोई कोई न दे, कोई कोई न लागू होए दुष्ट मना, लागू होए दुष्ट मना, लागू होए दुष्ट मना, साख पे पाज खले, साख पे पाज खले, साख पे साख पे पाज खले, ये सबो भजे आसरा, सबो भजे आसरा, सब भजे आसरा, सब भजे आसरा, सब भजे आसरा, सब भजे चूके सब असरा वो, चूके सब असरा वो, चूके सब असरा वो, चूके सब असरा हो, चित आवे उस पार ब्रह्म, चित आवे, चित आवे उस पार ब्रह्म, चित उस पार ब्रह्म, लगे ना तती वाओ, वागु 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 ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਤਾਨੇ ਆਕਾਤਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਤਾਨੇ ਆਕਾਤਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਤਾਨੇ ਆਕਾਤਾਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਤਾਨੇ ਆਕਾਤਾਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ
ਫਰੀਦਾ ਮੈਂ ਜਾਣਿਆ ਦੁੱਖ ਮੁਝ ਕੋ ਦੁੱਖ ਸਬਾਈਏ ਜਗ ਉੱਚੇ ਚੜ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਘਰ ਘਰ ਇਹਾ ਅੱਗ So Bhagat Farid ji here, they are saying, मैं जानिया दुख मुझको. I thought that I was the only one who was suffering. मैं जानिया दुख मुझको, but dukh sabaiye jag. But the whole jug, the whole earth is dukhi, is suffering. Then what did they say? Uche chad ke dekhya. So uche here means when we rise a bit above our physical body. When you're more conscious, more aware about yourself, uche chad ke dekhya. When I was more conscious about myself, ta kar kar eha ag. So in every house, in every body, this kar eha ag. This ag of what? Of dukkha. Now what does Maharaj say about dukkha? Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj, they say in their Bani, dukkha vichoda, ek dukh pukh. Ek dukh saktwar jam dood. Ek dukh rog lage tan tae, ved na pole daru lai. So in this body, Maharaj speaks about 4 types of dukkha that one person goes through. Dukkha vichoda. So dukkha vichoda here means separation. Now we're going to look at it in both ways, Hana? Worldly and spiritually as well. Dukkha vichoda. So when we get separated from our loved ones, mother and a child, husband and wife, dukkha undaya, that pain of separation. But in this case, Maharaj speaks about vichoda with Paramatma, that ultimate vichoda that currently we all are facing when we are in this jug. Maharaj kehte ne, Parmeshwar te bhulya vyapan sabbe rog. When we forget Vaheguru, we forget that asi I kitthon aa, where I come from, te jana kithe aa, where I'm going to go after this. Jado eh asi bhul jane aa, vyapan sabbe rog. Then we are collecting all this rog, all these diseases in ourselves. So Maharaj kehte dukkha vichoda. That's the first one. Second one is dukkha vichoda, ek dukh pukh. So pukh here means hunger. So again, we are going to look at hunger as in worldly and spiritually. So hunger, now if we look at the situation happening right now, there's a crisis happening. A virus outbreak, pandemic is happening all around the world. The poor, jere gareeb a, jere bhukhe a, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੈਸੇ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਾਸ਼ਨ ਲੈਣ ਨੂੰ. But what happens to the rich people, the middle class, they are running into the grocery stores and buying all the ration, all the kinds of food, and stocking up their house. Why? Because they are afraid. Bi mainu eh dukh na sehna pare of this hunger. So currently in Malaysia, that's happening. For 2 weeks, we are going to be in our house. Ghar de vich rehna sanu pehna. Te ki ho reha? Everybody is going out to the grocery stores and they're just buying food. Because kyon? Mainu bhukh na rehna pare. So it's a dukkha. That's one. But in this case, Maharaj speaks about that trishna. Trishna here means desire, greed. So again, go back to that same example. Assi hun stores nu jane hana, saman lenu to buy groceries. But because of panic, we start becoming greedy and now we're taking in too many things. We are buying too many ration, which we don't even need. So what's happening in the world, there's this issue of like people buying too many toilet paper rolls that we don't even need. But why? Because there's panic. Bhukh de karke, it creates panic, and panic creates greed. So if this becomes a dukkha, now you see how it's related. Dukkha can be related to panch chor as well. So Maharaj कहने दुख विछोड़ा एक दुख भूख. So I spoke about Trishna. In Anand Sahib, Maharaj speaks about eh Trishna vadda rog laga, marana mano visarya. That this Trishna, this desire that leads to greed, vadda rog laga. It's such a big disease. Sade upar. Maran mano visarya. We forget that ek din sanu vi jana hai paina. So there's this dujja dukh. Tijja ek dukh saktwar jamdood. So this dukh is fear of death, which everyone has that fear. That son as मैं एक दिन मर जाना. Actually, it is a reality, है ना? एक दिन तो ऐसे जाना है. The question is how and when. There's 3 things required when we are going to leave this world. Kal, the time, vastu, how, and the place, days. Kal, vastu, and days. This will determine how we're going to die, when we're going to die. But Maharaj कहते ने, we can also eradicate this fear of death. How? प्रभ के सिमरन पाओ ना ब्यापे. प्रभ के सिमरन दुख ना संतापे. इन सुखमनी साहब महाराज कहते ने, प्रभ के सिमरन ना ही जमत्रासा. So through the Simran of Vaheguruji, we start eradicating, destroying that fear. Maharaj भी कहते निर्पौ जपे सगल पौ मिटे. When we start doing Simran of the nirpau, of Vaheguru, of Akal Purakh, then we also start becoming nirpau. We start getting that quality in us as well. So this is the 3rd dukh that Maharaj speaks about. Now the chotha is what we're going to delve into. Ek dukh rog lage tanatai. So rog here means disease. So the 4th type of dukkha is when we have disease upon this body. Rog lage tanatai. So now, in Gurbani, there are 3 types of rog that Maharaj has mentioned. Adi, Beadi, and Upadi. Adi is all those diseases, those physical, the health challenges that we face with this mind. So currently, if we look at the world, a lot of people are going through mental health challenges. Depression, anxiety, worry, stress, panic. Diseases related to this mind are called Adi. And it's interesting because Maharaj speaks about all of this. But we forget to tap into Gurbani to find out what Maharaj actually says. What is the medicine? What's the cure for this rog? Hana? Adi. The second one is Beadi. So illnesses to this physical body. Cancer, any chronic illnesses, physical disability. These are illnesses to this physical body. Adi, Beadi, Upadi. So currently we are facing Upadi, which is illnesses or diseases that comes from outside, from the nature, like virus attack, natural disaster. So something that comes from outside and we have to suffer it. So currently we are facing Upadi, virus attack, a pandemic on the whole sansar. So Maharaj tells us that ek tarah da rog hai. And this rog is now becoming a dukkha on us. Why? Because we are suffering. We are suffering here in our mind and as in our body as well, we're suffering as well. But how do we come out of it? So hone sanu gyan ho gaya. We have that gyan that, okay, I am going through this rog, the whole world is suffering. Nanak dukhya sab sansar. To hone karna kiya. Even that as well, Maharaj speaks in Gurbani. What does Maharaj say? They say that sansar rogi, naam daru, mail lage, sach bina. Sansar rogi. So many times, even the Shabad that was being sung, Gurbani, Maharaj kehte ne, sansar is dukhi. The whole sansar is full of disease. But what is the daru? Naam daru. Mail lage, sach bina. When we forget where we come from, where we go, our true self, bime atmaya, then we are collecting filth on this body. ਤੇ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਵੀ ਆ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਰਾ ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦਾ. So ਹੁਣ disease ਤਾਂ ਆ ਗਿਆ. We have disease, we have illnesses, and we have the cure which is naam. But who is going to give us that cure? So ਹੁਣ ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੁੱਖ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਆ, when we are sick, we go to the hospital, go to the clinic. Cure ਤਾਂ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣਾ. We have to go see the doctor. Doctor ਨੇ prescription ਦੇਣਾ, ਫੇਰ ਹੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ cure ਮਿਲੂਗਾ. So we go to the doctor, we say we have fever, we have flu, sore throat, cough, and they will give us the medicine. Similarly, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਾਮ ਦਾਰੂ ਆ, ਇਹ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦਾ. You can't just go and get it from anywhere else. ਇਹ ਮਿਲਣਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਤੋਂ. Mera Bed Guru Gobinda. So our Guru, our Satguru, is going to give us the Daru of Naam. Now, how is that going to happen? So I mentioned earlier, we have to look at Itihas to find out how we're going to go through this crisis, how we're going to go through this situation. Jera kuch aj ho reha hai, whatever happens in this present time, all this has happened before. We always have to look back into history to find out how did our Guru Sahiban, they went through it, and how can we take example for them as well. If we look at the time of Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji Maharaj, Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji, when they were in Delhi, there was a pandemic of cholera and smallpox in the whole of Delhi. And at that time, diseases such as cholera, smallpox, they were very contagious. I छू के भी दूजे बंदे नू लग जांदा सी. And Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji were there at that time. So think about, imagine the kind of panic that was in the whole of Delhi. The Mughal emperor was in panic. जिमें हुन साडे को resources है गया, medicine resources and all that. उस वेले नहीं है. It was not there at that time. So how did Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji, how did they go through this crisis? So Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji, they would go to all these isolated patients, those who had smallpox, those who had cholera, ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬਿਮਾਰ ਸੀਗੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ isolate ਕਰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ. They used to isolate them from the family, and Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji would go to each and every patient, and they would give the Daru of Naam. They would give their Charan Amrit, Charan Paul, which was infused with Gurbani. They would read Gurbani, they would do Naam Abhyas, and that Amrit would be given to the patients. And the Sangat, because they needed an asra, at this point of time, in this situation, we become hopeless. Koi asra hai nahi. Sabbo bhajje asra. Chuke sab asrao. So at that point, when we can take no support from the world, from other people, kyun? Kide kolo se support laiye, o aap dukhi hai banda. So Guru Har Krishan Sahib kende ne, asra Gurbani da lo. Take the asra of Gurbani, take the asra of the Guru. So all the Sangat, they used to come to Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji and they would recite Gurbani. Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji would get them to recite Gurbani, the Shabad that was being sung by VG as well. Sahib Nitaniya Ka Taan. So Guru Har Krishan Sahib Ji would get the Sangat to read the Shabad, to do Naam Simran, to read Gurbani, and to take the asra of the Guru. When we speak about Aukhad, in Gurbani the word Aukhad comes. Aukhad here means medicine. So Maharaj kende ne, Sarba Rog Ka Aukhad Naam. Every disease, whatever you can think about, the Daru, the medicine is always Naam. But Naam kitho milda? Satguru to. So we have to take the asra of Satguru to get the Naam, to cure our diseases. Now, if we think about it, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj in their Bani Sri Rag Mahalla Panjwa, they tell us, Jako mushkal at bane, toi koi na de. So when we go through such a difficult time, Jako mushkal at bane, a very difficult time, toi koi na de, there's no asra, no one can support you. Lagu hoye dushmana, saak pe bhaj khale. Now, enemies are running after you. Even your friends, your families have left you. Sabbo bhajje asra, chukke sab asrao. You have no hopes, no support on anyone. No one can help you out. But Mara kende there's one thing. Chit aave us par brahma, lage na tattiva. So just remember Vaheguruji even at that point. Lage na tattiva. Then we'll not have to go through the fire of this pain, go through this dukkha. Pave jana pe, even if we have to go through it, but Maharaj Sakti vi dandeya, they gave us the strength to go through this pain. That's why in this Bani, Maharaj kende ne Sahib Nitaniya Ka Taan. Taan here means power. So Nitaniya means people who are powerless. Jer hun asi. We now in this state, we are Nitan. We have no power. So Sahib Nitaniya Ka Taan, they give power, they are the strength for people like us. If you look at this Shabad Sangaji, in the first Pauri Maharaj speaks about when we have no asra, when we are in at mushkil and such a difficult time right now, and we have no asra from the world, Maharaj kehndे ne, chit aave us par brahm. Remember that Vaheguru Ji, and all your problems will be solved. In the second pauri, Maharaj speaks about when we go through poverty. ਜਦੋਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਪੈਸੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ, and when we are hungry, ਭੁੱਖ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ, ਭੁੱਖ in itself, it's a ਦੁੱਖ as well. So Maharaj ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਵੇਲੇ ਵੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਆਰਾਧਨਾ ਕਰੋ, remember Vaheguru Ji, and your ਦੁੱਖ will go away. Now I want to focus on the third pauri of this Shabad. Maharaj says, Jako chinta bahut bahut, dehi vyapay rog. So this is something that we're going to focus on, because currently this pauri explains our situation. Jako chinta bahut bahut. When I spoke about Adi, the illnesses related to the mind, chinta is one of that. So if you want to find out what Maharaj says about anxiety, about worry, type in the word chinta or worry or anxiety in iGurbani, and you get so many shabads where Maharaj gives parman of what it is and how to come out of it. So in this pauri, Maharaj speaks about Jako chinta bahut bahut. One who goes through so much worry, so much anxiety, dehi vyapay rog. And this body, this physical body is going through physical pain as well. It's so important to understand, Sangat Ji, whatever we think about here, whatever we do with our mind, it will manifest into this body as well. The mind has its power to manifest into physical actions, into words as well. That's why in Gurbani Maharaj kehndे ne, mamma mansyo kaaj hai, man sadhe siddh hoy. Our work in this world is with our mind. Man sadhe, when the mind is correct, siddh hoy. Everything else around us, our actions, our words, siddh hoy. Everything becomes pure as well. So Maharaj says, Jako chinta bahut bahut dehi vyapay rog, grist kutumb paletya, kade hark kade sog. So now what's happening? So the government has announced 2 weeks of partial lockdown, where we're going to distance ourselves from the Sangat, from social gatherings, from outside world and all that, Hana. So we are going to be in our house, and we are going to be surrounded by the same Sangat, our family, for 2 weeks. Mar kehndे ne, grist kutumb paletya. We are engrossing ourselves in grist, in household, kutumb, in our family. We are now engrossed in this. Kade hark, kade sog. And sometimes we go through happiness, we go through sorrow. So these are the ups and downs, dukha sukha, ups and downs of a person's life. The Maharaj kehndे ne, gaun kare chaukuntaka, kadi na besan soe. So this is what's happening now. We are very restless. Kal to leke, after the news came out, everybody is very restless. Ki hona ya? What's happening now? What's going to happen in the future? What about my work? What about the school? Gaun kare chahukuntaka. Now we are wandering around in all 4 directions. Our mind is wandering around everywhere. Kadi na besan soy. Even for a moment, for a kadi, we can't sit down. We are so restless. We can't sleep. We can't sit down. We are so restless. Sanu pata nahi vi future ch hona kiya. So up here, our mind is so restless, unhealthy, and then it's going to prevail, manifest into this physical body as well. But in the last pankti, Maharaj ki kehndे ne, they say, Chit aave us par brahma, tan man seetal hoy. So even in this situation, chit aave, to do chintan, to do aradhana, to do simran of par brahma, and what happens? Tan man, both your mind and the physical body, seetal hoy. Seetal means to be cool, to be shant, seetal hoy. But to do aradhana of Vaheguru Ji, even in the hardship, even in this difficult situation. So how are we going to make it practical now? This coming towards the end, we're going to make it practical. So like I mentioned earlier, 2 weeks. The whole country is under partial lockdown for 2 weeks, starting today. Hona si ki kariye? And as a Sikh, Maharaj ne sanu chardi kala jivan bakshiya. Nanak naam chardi kala. Tandi kala ta nahi kya? That when we go through difficulty, we go tandi kala or khardi kala. So there's chardi kala where we keep going up. There's khardi kala where we are stagnant, which is not good, because stagnant pani de vich ki hunda sara ganda, all these mosquitoes, Aedes mosquitoes, sara vich hunda ya. And then tandi kala when we go down, even that is not good as well. So Maharaj ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ. So in every situation, even if it be negative, a Sikh's job is to find the positive in it, to always remain in chardhi kala. So how are we going to remain in chardhi kala in these 2 weeks? First thing, as a Sikh, we need to be aware, we need to be conscious of our state of mind. ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛੋ, ਬੰਦੇ ਖੋਜ ਦਿਲ ਹਰ ਰੋਜ਼. Guru Sahib tells that every day we have to search in our mind. ਦਿਲ ਹਰ ਰੋਜ਼. ਨਾ ਫਿਰ ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨੀ ਮਾਹੇ, then you're not going to go through pain. ਪਰੇਸ਼ਾਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਵਾਂਗੇ. We won't be worried because why? Every day you're contemplating, what is my state of mind now? Sit down, relax and think. What am I feeling? Am I feeling panic? Am I being worried about what's happening outside? Am I feeling restless because I don't know what to do? So you must be aware, you must be conscious about your state of mind. Only then you can use this body to function. When you're aware, some people, when the news came out yesterday or the day before about this social distancing, there were some people who got so happy. Mardik Baut Kirpa, they gave us 2 weeks to do pure bhakti with no disturbance, to be in ekant. They were so happy that I don't have to go to work. I can do my Amrit Vela as much as I want, do my Sandhya Vela as much as I want, and nobody will disturb me. But there's some people who went into Tandikala, who went down, and they were thinking that, what's going to happen? I don't know what to do because my whole life is about going to work. My whole life is about sending my children to school. ਬੱਚੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਗੇ ਘਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ 24 ਘੰਟੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ? We have so much time. So Maharaj is telling us that these 2 weeks, think about it positively. Maharaj ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ 2 ਹਫ਼ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ to do pure bhakti. So use this time to do sangat at home. This has been mentioned many times as well. This is a time now to start doing what Maharaj has said in Gurbani, Kar Kar Andar Dharamsal. That in each and every house there should be a Dharamsal where you do sangat with your family. That's why Grist Jeevan is so uttam. Because Maharaj has told us that Kar de vich beh ke tusi sangat kar sakde ha. So do that Amrit Vela that you have wanting to do for like how many years but you couldn't because kamate jana pena. Do that Reras Diwan you wanted to do because for so many years you couldn't do. Use this time, especially for youth out there, use this time to take up a new skill, something related to Sikhi. You've always wanted to learn Vajja. Oh, my time, honey, I'm always in universities. I have to go to work. Use this time to learn the Vajja. Learn some Kirtan. Play the tabla. Best of all, use this time to get to know your Guru. So basically, Maharaj is giving 2 weeks break with pay for the whole world. Now, isn't that cool? Even the 30 is trying to rest. Maharaj ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆਰਾਮ ਕਰੋ ਘਰੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਭਗਤੀ ਕਰੋ. Char chop. ਹੈ ਨਾ? So use this time to pick up a skill. Learn some tabla. Learn some kirtan on the Vajja or Tanti Saj. Those who have wanted to do Santhya for I don't know how long but you couldn't because you have no time. Use this time to find a Gursikh. Just take their time and you know what, Sangatji, please teach me Santhya. Start doing Santhya of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, of Ladiwar Swarup of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. We need people who can do part of Ladiwar Swarup of Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Start doing Sahaj part. In Indonesia, they started this really good initiative to do Sahaj part until Vaisakhi because you can't go anywhere else. There's nothing else to do. Get to know your Guru. Read some Itihas. You'll be surprised by so much gyan that Maharaj is trying to give us. Get to know your Guru. Build a relationship with your Guru. If we can only be at home, ਹੁਣ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰੇ 'ਚ ਸਤਸੰਗ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਘਰੇ ਬਹਿ ਕੇ ਕਰੋ. Do part to your Guru. If you do not have Maharaj Swarup at home, it's okay. Use the picture of Guruji or Gurka Sahib that you have. Make a space at home where you can do your own bhakti. So always take something positive out of a negative situation. And then the most important thing that I'm going to end with is, in this time, evaluate yourself. Where do I stand in terms of attachment with this world? How much can I stay away from this world? So test yourself. Am I able to distance myself from people for 2 weeks? Pehla ek din try kar lene hai. Try for 1 day where you don't go out, you're only at home and you try to do your bhakti. Test yourself and see whether am I able to overcome attachment to this world? Am I able to overcome the attachment to fun, to gatherings, to social media even? And ask yourself this question. So as a Sikh, we need to take asra of Gurbani, read as much Gurbani as we can. ਹੋਰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕੁ ਸਮਾਂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਸਾਨੂੰ 2 ਹਫ਼ਤੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਆ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ. Take full laha of this 2 weeks. Start doing satsang virtually like what's happening now. And then get people in your family, sit together and do Nityanim together. And take full asar of Gurbani and reconnect with yourself. So take this 2 weeks. Maharaj is giving us a break that apne aap nal juro. Connect to yourself who I truly am and connect with Vaheguru Ji. So we're going to end with this last few minutes with Gurbani Kirtan. And in this time, Sangat Ji, while you're listening to the Kirtan, while you're singing Kirtan, please also evaluate in your mind. Think about what actions am I going to take in the next 2 weeks to connect with Guru. I want to give this 2 weeks for my Guru. For Sikhi, take up a new skill, do Sangat at home of Guru, of Gurbani, and reconnect with yourself and with your Guru as well.
मेरा वैद गुरु गोविंदा मेरा हर हर नाम आवखद मुख देवै काटै जम की फंदा हर हर नाम आवखद मुख देवै
काटे जम की फंदा
हर हर नाम आवखद मुख देवै काटै जम की फंदा हर हर नाम आवखद मुख देवै काटै
जम की फंदा
काटै जम की फंदा काटै जम की फंदा काटै जम की फंदा काटै जम की
फंदा
हर हर नाम आवखद मुख देवै हर हर नाम आवखद मुख देवै हर हर नाम आवखद मुख देवै
हर हर नाम आवखद मुख देवै
वाहे गुरु वाहेगुरु ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਜੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜੀ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ
ਨਾਮ ਜੀ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ
ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜੀ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜੀ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਆਠ ਪਹਿਰ ਆਰਾਧੀਐ ਆਠ ਪਹਿਰ ਆਰਾਧੀਐ ਆਠ ਪਹਿਰ ਪੂਰਨ ਸਤ ਗੁਰ ਗਿਆਨ ਪੂਰਨ ਸਤ ਗੁਰ ਗਿਆਨ ਪੂਰਨ ਸਤ ਗੁਰ ਗਿਆਨ ਪੂਰਨ ਸਤ ਗੁਰ ਗਿਆਨ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜੀ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ
ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜੀ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ
ਧੰਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ 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 ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜੀ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਜੀ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ 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 ਤੇਰਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਦੁਖ ਭੰਜਨ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਤੇਰਾ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ, ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ। ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ, ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ, ਤੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ, ਤੇਰਾ ਜਗਤ ਜਲੰਦਾ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਤਾਰ। ਜਗਤ ਜਲੰਦਾ ਰੱਖ ਲੈ ਆਪਣੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਜੇਤ ਦੁਆਰੈ ਉਬਰੈ, ਜੇਤ ਦੁਆਰੈ ਉਬਰੈ ਤਿਤਲੇ ਹੋ ਬਾਰ, ਤਿਤਲੇ ਹੋ ਤਿਤਲੇ ਹੋ ਬਾਰ, ਤਿਤਲੇ ਹੋ ਸਤ ਗੁਰ ਸੁਖ ਵੇਖਾ ਲਿਆ, ਸਤ ਗੁਰ ਸੁਖ ਵੇਖਾ ਲਿਆ। ਸਚਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਵਿਚਾਰ, ਸਚਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਵਿਚਾਰ। ਨਾਨਕ ਅਵਰ ਨਾ ਸੂਝਈ, ਨਾਨਕ ਅਵਰ ਨਾ ਸੂਝਈ, ਨਾਨਕ ਅਵਰ ਨਾ ਸੂਝਈ, ਨਾਨਕ ਅਵਰ ਨਾ ਸੂਝਈ। ਹਰ ਬਿਨ ਬਖਸ਼ਨ ਹਾਰ ਜੀ, ਹਰ ਬਿਨ ਬਖਸ਼ਨ ਹਾਰ। ਨਾਨਕ ਅਵਰ ਨਾ ਸੂਝਈ, ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ, ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ। ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ, ਧੰਨ ਗੁਰੂ ਹਰਿਕ੍ਰਿਸ਼ਨ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ। ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦਾ, ਮੇਰਾ ਵੈਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦਾ, ਮੇਰਾ